There are multiple actions you can perform within your agreement. First of all, you have to click on the Preview button. Then you can either edit, move to a folder, print, or download. You can also share your agreement by copying a link or sharing via email. You can also send it to verification via email. If you go back to editing your file, you will find more actions and more possibilities, such as saving the document as, duplicating the document, or for example, showing the history. Same happens when it comes to sharing. You can also see the sharing history of your file. Let's see what happens if we click on Show History. You will see the history of changes of the file. That will allow you to go to a previous version of the file and, if you wish, restore a previous version.